How to add single event section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page, and now go right here on this list, scroll down until you find a single event option, click on it. Now choose a template from here. You have many professional templates. Choose the one that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on it and wait a few seconds until they start adding this feature to your website. Now after a few seconds it will be ready, as you can see. It's so easy and fast. Now all what you have to do is click manage so you can manage your events. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.